Hi, today I'm with me Nokia G22 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So open first the Play Store application and now in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application, that's why tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, be closed, tap to OK, and you'll see here information about your battery health. So in my case this is the good condition, and also I got here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.